Okay, and finally now the entertainment news, and Varun Dhawan is back in town after a 45-day shooting schedule for his next Dishoom in Abu Dhabi. The actor cleared up rumours on a 300 crore deal he reportedly struck, as well as a possible dance show with Hrithik Roshan. But what Varun is most excited about is what he calls a truly special project that's coming up in May.
Someone who's got their back or something that's got their back, and I think Varun Dhawan has that in place today. What about the people who've got your back in life?
The people who have my back usually pack my backpack.
Nice.
Like my mom.
The story life, I tell you.
Like my mom and my driver. These two people, I really trust these two people.
You're sounding like a full spoiled brat right now.
It's okay, I think, see, it's important to come across little real.
Absolutely. It's called a brat pack also.
It's a brat pack. This is the new brat pack, guys.
We're happy to see you, especially since you're, making 300 crore deals and things like that. We were very surprised to see you here actually today. You want to tell us about that?
No, there's no truth to that.
Yeah.
I've not made any deal like that. I'm just trying to go, I'm an actor, and I'm just trying to go about my work in the most creative way I can, and trying to do the best for my films. That's
Absolutely. Now, Varun, you're someone who seems to travel light in more ways than one, because you're always happy-go-lucky, you're always pretty cheerful. How do you travel light in life?
How do I travel light in life? I make sure that my bags are taken by...
Philosophically.
Okay, how do I travel? Okay.
Again!
Philosophically. Okay, this is a deep question.
Yes.
The truth about this is, 10 o'clock at night, I try, which I've started doing now, go for a swim every day at night.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Very clearing for the head.
Yeah, very clearing for the head.
Yeah.
I just try and go for a dip at night and just try and let everything out. And it's actually very therapeutic, I think.
Absolutely. And I know that, you had a very, very busy 2015, but what are we looking forward to in 2016?
Without
Heavyweight.
audio.
Without
Just
the
a lot
audio.
of punches coming your way. The hits are going to keep on coming. I'm doing a film called Dishoom, which is out in July 29th. And there is some exciting news coming up as well, which I'm not going to tell you. Which I mean this year.
You have to tell us.
Soon. Sometime in May. Something in May. No one has a clue about it, and that's what's exciting, that the media has not got to know about this.
You're really keeping the suspense going. And my final question, we also...
You're the first person I've actually said that there is something.
You've not told me anything. You just said something in May.
Something in May. Something in May.
Totally vague. We also heard that you're going to be doing a dance show with Hrithik. Is there any truth to that?
I was away for 40 days, and I think a lot of things have come up since then. But just to clear the air, no money has come my way, no dance shows, no nothing. I'm just the same person trying to work hard and trying to entertain you people.